Hey folks, what's going on? This is Todd Dow, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to promote Clickbank products without a website. This is the 2021 version, and you're going to be able to do this without even actually running any type of advertisements whatsoever. Okay. The cool thing about this strategy is that it is still working in 2020, and it will continue to work 2021. So if you're watching this video in 2021 and if you're wondering if it still works, it definitely still works because it's never going to go away. Okay, I'm going to share with you the traffic stream that you need to actually get your offers in front of. But more importantly, I want you guys to understand, like, I've been doing this for more than 10 years. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing for more than 10 years on and off. And what I've discovered is, hey, you just have to place the right type of traffic for the right type of offer. Okay, you can't just, place your links anywhere and expect to get commissions. Yeah, you'll get links or clicks over to your website, but that doesn't mean that they're actually going to purchase. Okay, and it doesn't also mean that you have to have thousands of visitors in order to make significant amounts of money. If you do this right, and if you do it in a targeted way, you're going to be able to make a lot more than what you're thinking. Okay, so I want to go ahead and go over to the next slide here. And basically what we're going to go over here in this tutorial is that I'm going to show you how to pick an offer, and then I'm going to show you how you can utilize YouTube, but not by actually uploading any types of videos or creating any videos whatsoever. Okay, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can utilize right now where you don't have to create any videos. You don't have to upload any videos. Okay, so if you've seen those videos out there on the internet where they're like, make money from YouTube without uploading videos and all that kind of stuff, this has nothing to do with that whatsoever. Okay, this is a technique that I've been using, and actually created a video 2018 on the same version, which again, it still was working in 2018, still works in 2020. And then once you utilize this part of the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you, then you can start making commissions into your Clickbank account. But you're going to do this only 30 minutes per day. So if you got 30 minutes per day to do this, then you definitely can make this work. Okay, now I'm gonna let you know that I've been doing this again for a long period of time, but I've actually ventured off and I figured out other ways of actually promoting Clickbank products that I'll be sharing with you on this YouTube channel. So if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button on this YouTube channel, you're going to be able to follow along with more parts of this tutorial where I'm going to help you to make more from your investment into using this strategy today, and to continue to snowball your efforts into making even more money with your Clickbank account. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified exactly when I come out with a new video on this YouTube channel. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to the Clickbank marketplace. I know you've been on multiple videos before where they just say go over to the Facebook marketplace, pick a product and promote it with this and you're going to be rich. That's not the case here. Okay, I'm actually showing you, not to promote products that are in the make money online niche. Okay, because this strategy works with any type of product. Okay, and you have to think about the season in which you're in. If it's around Christmas time, you already know, first of the year, people are going to have New Year's resolutions, and many times when people have New Year's resolutions, it always seems to involve losing weight. Okay, so I like to go into this niche. Right now it's really close to Christmas, and so I like to go to the health and fitness niche. And then I scroll down and I may go into diet and weight loss. And then over here you can see that you want to try to make as much as possible. You want to check out the sales pages of these products and see if they actually make you want to buy. So whenever you click on this and you watch the video or read the sales page and it makes you want to purchase that product, then definitely that should be your go-to product. But nonetheless, you want to look at something that says grab. Okay, stands short for gravity. Now, if this is below 50, then I wouldn't even mess with the product. Okay, if you scroll down even further, you can see some of these products have lower gravity, like 31, what is this, 32, 39, etc. Right? So let's say, for example, we want to find a product with keto diets. So when I click on this link, you can see this video right here. This is what it would look like, the product that you'd be promoting. I would go ahead and watch this video in full. okay, and see if it makes you want to purchase this product. And if it does, then I definitely suggest that you start promoting this product, okay, guys? And so that's the cool thing about this strategy, is that you could just pick products that are trending in the right now, and that'll give you the best bang for your buck. What you don't want to do is you don't want to promote products that are going to give you like these little weenie commissions, like $5.35. You want 25, you want 50, you want 100 if possible, okay? So let's say that we wanted to promote this keto diet product. So what is the next step? You would hit this promote button right here, and then what I would do is I'll put YouTube ad 1, and then I would go ahead and click generate hot links. Oops. Now it's going to give me a hot link. Now I need to shorten my hot link into something that's a lot shorter. Okay, you don't want that long link to use for promotion. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit boom, that, and then so now I'm able to get a short link for my affiliate link. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go on over to YouTube, and you need to type in keto diets. Now you need to filter your results to show this year. Okay, if it's later in the year, you definitely don't want to do the whole year. You can do this. You can even do this month. Okay, the idea here is you want to get the freshest traffic possible. So if you do this week, you're going to get the freshest traffic possible from these videos. Now, the concept that I'm describing right here is that you want to piggyback off of these videos that have already gone viral. Okay, you don't want to go and recreate this content, but you want to reach out to these individuals to see if they would be willing to put your link, your affiliate link, in the description of their YouTube video, just for paying them a small fee. Okay, or you can actually work out a deal to split commissions with them. But most times they want just a little small fee just to put the link in the description of the YouTube video. Okay, and if it works out really well, you can just work out like a monthly plan to keep your link there, and that's pretty much it. So if I go down here, for example, this video has been out for 2 weeks, 4,300 views, 764 views, 12,000 views a month ago, 91,000. This one right here looks like it has that heat. Okay, so if I go right here, and if I click on this link right here, it's going to bring me over to the video, obviously. And sometimes what you want to do is look into the description, and sometimes they have their email address or ways that you can contact them. What you want to do is you want to get in contact with them any way that you can. You can get in contact with them on TikTok, Instagram, and then also this other thing that you can do is you can go to their profile. Once you get on over to their profile, you're going to go to the About section here. And you can sometimes they'll have their email address in here, but other than that, it should show up here. Okay, you're gonna go through the steps, hit submit, and then boom, now you got that person's email address. And so what you want to do is you want to start reaching out to these individuals. So what does that message look like? What do you need to do next in order to get them on a board? And so I'm gonna go ahead and type up the message, so that you guys understand what you need to do. And you can do this, guys. Look, do this an hour per day. All you need is 1 or 2 of these to stick. Imagine if you did this for 7 days, and you're able to make at least 1 video stick each week. And that one video brought you in, let's say, $200 a week or $300 a week. How long would you do that in order to create enough passive income to start making consistent money every single month without doing anything else? So I'm busting out my notepad right here, and all you gotta do is just get to work. Like once you create a template here, then you definitely can just copy and paste and just rearrange words. That's the best way you can do it in order to get the maximum amount of effort here. So basically, the person's name is Myra. Okay. Hi Myra. I've been looking on your channel. Loving content, by the way. I wanted to know if or what you charge me to put a link to my website in the description of this YouTube video. And then so you're going to go back to the YouTube video that you found. Copy the link to that. Boom. So now we have a little description right here. Now you don't just want like a link in the description. You want your link to be pinned in the comment section of the video as well. So please let me know if this is possible. You can reach back out to me by replying to this email or DM me on Instagram, message me on Facebook, or give me a call. Okay? Boom. So then you're gonna list your, all of the ways that they can contact you. Right? You're gonna put your Instagram, Facebook, phone number, and then now, like I said again, like if you have 30 minutes to an hour per day, you can just, once you start typing this up, and you've seen the length of this video so far, it didn't take me that long to actually type this stuff up, but you're going to type this up, and then all you're going to do is literally copy and paste and then change the names inside of the script that you typed up, and then also the link to the video. Okay, it's going to change, right? And so yeah, with all of that being said, guys, listen, that's all it is just copying and pasting. And once they do get a hold of you, or once you get a hold of them, you're going to be able to negotiate. You can negotiate it how much you want to pay, and I would definitely pay something like $10, $20, $30 a month. And you never know, like, you know, that $30 a month can bring you in 500, 600 bucks a month, or 200 bucks a week, just depending on how big their YouTube channel is, or how, you know, or how much that video is growing. Now, I will say this, guys, in order to get like the best bang for your buck, you want to go after YouTube videos that are going viral but have a small amount of YouTube followers, like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 followers. Now, something under like 20,000 followers is what you're looking for whenever you're using this strategy. So whenever you pull this up, let's say we do this for the month, right? We pull this up for the month, and let's say that there's a video on this first spot here that's like under let's see, like 20,000, 1,000, 200, 6 days. This is pretty good too for 8,000 followers as well. I will go ahead and hit them up as well. And keep in mind, guys, listen, some of these videos, depending on how frequent these people post, okay, that's another thing that you want to look at, is how frequent these people are posting. If they're posting every day, if they're consistent every single week, there's a chance that that video could go viral too. And then you can actually plant your seed by, you know, reaching out to them, because you know that, you know, you see the metrics. Like if you notice, if you go to their channel, for example, like I cover this a lot on my other YouTube videos, where I show you how to like see how, you know, which videos are going viral on a YouTube channel. When you see that there's not a lot of subscribers on the channel, but then you see like the average view count on these channels, or on it, see, look at this. We discovered another video here, 12,000 views in 2 weeks. This right here is going viral, right? I would go ahead and ask them if I could post my link on this video right here, okay? Obviously, read through the content so that you have something to talk about whenever you do reach out to them, but definitely reach out to them in them, you know, copy and paste form, okay? You can also negotiate multiple videos to put the link on. You know, the sky's the limit, but I would only go after videos that I know are going viral. 2 weeks, 12,000 views, because in 2 weeks, normally they're getting 1,000 views on a video in this topic, okay? And so that's how it works, guys. Listen, you can do this, you can utilize this. I think this is the best way, honestly, to attack this. You don't want to attack this with a year-old video or 2 years or whatever. You want to get the freshest videos possible, because they're still generating traffic. And then here's the thing about YouTube. A lot of times when you see videos going viral like 12,000 views, like this could be 1 million views in 3 months from now. 7 months from now, it could be 1 million views. And your video, your link could be underneath in the description of that YouTube video, okay? And so that's what you want to look for, is videos that are on the brink of going viral, and you want to catch them early so you can get the least or the cheapest price to stay in there and have your link in the description and in the comment section of these videos. So hopefully you guys got value out of this. If you got value out of this, go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video about these topics, how to make money with Clickbank products without a website, or with the website. I'm going to show you all different types of ways, how to use Facebook ads to promote your Clickbank products. Also, how to create a Clickbank product if you're one of those people that wanted to be a vendor. I've actually, when I first started out in this industry, I started out creating my own Clickbank product, and it was funny because I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to build a sales page, didn't know how any of that crazy ninjutsu that they use on Clickbank. You know, I was able to figure it out just by following, you know, what they were doing. But I still made sales. I mean, it wasn't the greatest, but I was able to make sales by putting my own product up on Clickbank. So I know how to do that as well. I'm going to be showing you guys that in the future. So that's what you should be looking forward to on this YouTube channel. So with that being said, you guys take care, and definitely we'll see you on the next one.